Hello everyone and welcome to the App Inventor quick demo titled Implementing a Swipe Feature. And this is our design view where we just have one picture right in the middle of the screen, and we've also uploaded some other pictures, Cookie, Cute Snowman, Elf, and Santa, and we want a swipe gesture to travel between them. So we need these blocks right here, and I'm going to talk about them and hopefully explain them all fully. So we defined a variable to be named image list, and we defined it to be a list of just these text references to the names of the .jpg, .gif files, and then we have another variable that just serves as a counter, and we named it image index. And then we have canvas1.flung, and canvas1 is this entire screen right here. We have what's called a canvas over the top of the picture. And when canvas1 is flung, it's going to set all of these variables: x, y, speed, heading, x velocity, y velocity, flung sprite. Basically, it's creating these values and saving it to these based on the input on the screen. So when someone has the Android, whichever device, in their hand and they do a swipe, it's going to save all these values, and based on what these values are, we're going to update what's on the page, which is everything down here. So the only thing we really need to check for is to see if it's a swipe to the right or if it's a swipe to the left. And our test is an if-else test. If the x velocity is less than 0, then the user has swiped to the left, because the velocity will be negative if the swipe was towards the left, and it will be positive if the swipe was towards the right. And if so, we want to increment image index, decrement image index by 1, and then we just need a quick test to see if we hit the beginning of the list, and if so, we reset the image index to be the end of the list. It will go back to cookie in this case. If the x velocity was not 0, it will execute this block because it was not under then do, it was under else do. And then we increment instead of decrement image index, and then we do a quick test to see if we have gone off the end and to see if image index is greater than the length of the list. If so, we just reset it back to 1. But then after image index has been updated based on the swipe to the right, the swipe to the left, and it's been checked to see if we've gone off the end, and we kind of fixed that, then image index now contains the index into this list that we want to show up on the screen. So all we have to do is to reset the canvas1 background image to select a list item from image list, which is our image list, of the index image index.